In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim a video in HeyGen. Now, if you want to get started with HeyGen yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can get started completely for free using my link. So to trim a video, you want to open up AI Studio, so go to Avatar and then AI Studio, and this is where you can basically add in your videos, okay? So I'm just going to go over here to the right-hand side, I'm going to go to Media, and I'm going to use one of my videos I have in here. I'm going to click, and they're going to get dragged on here, and as you can see I can zoom them, etc. Now this may not make the most sense, but it will do for demonstration purposes. So I'm gonna click on that specific video, and up top here we can see scissors and it says trim. So just click on the trim button, and here you can then go ahead and trim it however you want. For example, from second 5, let's do to second 16, like that. Click on done, and whenever you do this, it's going to trim your video just like this. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.